So in this video, you'll learn how to back up your Samsung Galaxy A36. So whether you're using Samsung Cloud or Google Drive, backing up your phone can be incredibly important, especially if you don't want any data lost or if you want to transfer the data to a different phone and you want everything to be transferred during it. So the first step when it comes to backing up your data is to open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select Accounts and Backup. And then you have two options. You have Samsung Cloud, which needs you to be signed into your Samsung account to use. And you have Google Drive, which needs you to have a Google account added onto your phone to use. So if you tap on Samsung Cloud Backup Data, you'll be told which data that you want to back up. So choose your data and then just tap on Backup and you can start the process. If you've chosen Google Drive, like this, then just tap on Backup Now after you've chosen what kind of data you want backed up, and your phone will automatically start backing up the data. You can even keep track of the data backup in the notifications menu. And then once you're done, you can just close the Settings app, knowing that you successfully backed up your phone. Bear in mind that the more data you choose to be backed up, the more time it will take. So keep that in mind whenever it comes to a data backup, as well as ensure that you always have a steady stream of Wi-Fi or mobile data so that the backup is not paused or stopped completely. And so that's how you can back up data on your A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.